Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use coupons on Temu. So first you have to launch your Temu application, log in to your account, and then tap on this person icon or the U option right here in the middle. Tap that one. And then here what you're going to do next once you tap this is you have to simply look for coupon codes. So basically in other Timo features or applications, you can see different option, but here what you're going to do is tap on coupon code. It will take you directly to this where all you have to do is to enter the coupon code. So once you have entered the coupon code into this field, what you're going to do next is to click apply for discounts. And aside from this, aside from going to coupon codes, you can also do that when you proceed to checkout. So all you have to do is select an item right here. So once you have added all desired products to your cart, you have to click on the checkout. Now here in the checkout section, you should see that enter the coupon code. So some items or other products have that when you tap on checkout, and all you have to do again is to enter your coupon code into the field, apply. Now after applying the code, the discount should reflect in your order total. Ensure that the coupon has been successfully applied before proceeding. Once satisfied with the discounted total, proceed to payment and finalize your order. And that's how easy it is to use coupon codes on Temu. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.